Unveiling the Puma Softride Enzo Evo walking shoes, a casual review for athletes. Hey friends! Today we're diving into the Puma Unisex Softride Enzo Evo walking shoes. Whether you're hitting the track or the street, these kicks promise style and comfort. Priced at Rs 5949, a sweet deal for anyone looking to add some flair to their sporty look. With a sleek design, these Puma shoes are available in a variety of colors. The high-risk red-black variant stands out, offering a vibrant look. Built with breathable material and excellent cushioning, they're designed to keep your feet comfortable mile after mile. These shoes feature Puma's Softride technology for superior cushioning. They provide solid support without sacrificing flexibility, a must-have for those long runs or casual strolls. Athletes love the snug fit, which ensures your feet stay stable even during intense activity. The consensus is clear. These shoes deliver on their promises. Users appreciate how they balance comfort with durability, making them a preferred choice for everyday usage. If you're in the market for stylish and reliable walking shoes, the Puma Softride Enzo Evo could be your ideal pick. Don't just take our word for it. Check them out with the link in the description below. Elevate your workout and casual outings with these versatile sneakers today.